Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Jackson from Arise MarkTech, where we help you take your business to the next level. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to rank your website on Google. If you've ever wondered how to get your website on that coveted page 1 of Google, stick around because we'll cover everything, including some out-of-the-box strategies that most people overlook. All right, let's get right into it. First, ranking on Google is not an overnight thing. It takes time, consistency, and a solid strategy. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you in easy steps. Step 1. Understand how Google ranks websites. Before we get into the tactics, let's talk about how Google actually ranks websites. Google uses an algorithm that crawls the internet to index web pages. When someone searches for something, Google's algorithm goes through its index to find the most relevant and useful pages to display. The key factors are relevance, authority, and user experience. Now let's go deeper into each of these and how we can leverage them to our advantage. Step 2. Keyword research, the foundation of SEO. Step 1 in our SEO journey is keyword research. You can't rank without knowing what people are searching for. So your first task is to find the right keywords, those high traffic, low competition gems. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to discover keywords that your audience is searching for. But here's a pro tip. Don't just go for the high volume, generic keywords. Target long tail keywords, those specific phrases that might have lower search volume but higher intent, meaning people who search them are more likely to convert. Step 3. On-page SEO, optimizing your content. Next up is on-page SEO. This is where the magic happens. Every page of your website should be optimized for your chosen keywords. Let's go through the essentials. Make sure your title tag includes your primary keyword, your meta description is compelling and contains keywords, and use header tags H1, H2 to structure your content. Also, don't forget to add alt text to your images, which is another way to rank for relevant terms. Now here's an out-of-the-box strategy: semantic SEO. This involves optimizing your content for related terms rather than focusing solely on your primary keyword. For example, if you're writing about digital marketing, include terms like SEO strategies, PPC campaigns, and social media marketing. This helps Google understand your content better and improves your chances of ranking for multiple keywords. Step 4. Technical SEO, optimizing the backend. Moving on to technical SEO. This part ensures Google can crawl, index, and rank your website properly. Some key factors include site speed, mobile optimization, and ensuring that your robots.txt file and sitemap are set up correctly. Here's the thing: if your website is slow or not mobile friendly, you're losing points with Google. Use Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze your site's speed and optimize images, scripts, and server response times to improve loading speed. Plus, make sure your site passes the core web vitals, Google's ranking factors that measure user experience based on speed, responsiveness, and visual stability. Step 5. Off-page SEO, building authority through backlinks. Next, let's talk about off-page SEO. This primarily revolves around backlinks, which are links from other websites that point to yours. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more authority Google gives your site. Now, here's a clever strategy: guest posting. Write high-quality content for other relevant websites in your niche and include a link back to your site. This builds authority and helps you reach a broader audience. You can also try broken link building. Find broken links on high-authority sites and offer your content as a replacement. It's a win-win. Step 6. Content marketing, creating engaging, shareable content. Content is king, but it's not just about writing blog posts. You need to create shareable, engaging content. Think about adding videos, infographics, case studies, and interactive elements like quizzes. Content that users want to engage with and share signals to Google that it's valuable. Here's a unique strategy: content clusters. Organize your website's content into pillar pages and cluster pages. This creates a structured content hierarchy, making it easier for Google to understand and rank your content. Step 7. User experience. Keep visitors coming back. Google's algorithm loves websites that prioritize user experience. If visitors spend time on your site, explore multiple pages, and engage with your content, Google sees this as a sign of quality. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, has a clear call to action, and provides value to your visitors. Bounce rates are a big ranking factor, so the more engaged your visitors are, the better. Step 8. Local SEO. Rank for local searches. Don't forget about local SEO if you're running a local business. Claim your Google My Business profile, encourage reviews, and make sure your NAP, name, address, phone number, is consistent across all platforms. This helps you rank higher in local search results. Step 9. Monitor and adapt. Stay on top of algorithm updates. Finally, SEO isn't a one-and-done thing. Google is constantly updating its algorithm, so it's important to monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Stay updated with changes in SEO trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. Keep experimenting and learning to stay ahead of the curve. To wrap things up, ranking on Google is about combining technical SEO, quality content, smart strategies, and a focus on user experience. With consistent effort and the right techniques, you'll see results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with others who could benefit from this guide. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep optimizing and keep growing.